Pull up a chair and get comfortable. It's time to talk about your federal benefits. Federal Employee Benefit Coordinators presents the FEBC Podcast with Elizabeth Inman and Brian Fentress.
Hello, hello. Here we are closing out 2024 with our podcasts. Wow, winding down quite a year. Lots has happened. But what I want to talk about is the number one month for retirement is exactly where we're at, December 2024. A month when lots and lots of people retire. Do you have your survival kit for retirement? Everybody should have one. If you're within a year of retirement, for sure, you should have your survival kit for FERS retirement. Contact us at www.febcnow.com and you can fill out the contact form right there and get your FEBC Federal Retirement Survival Kit. Everything you need to know about retiring. So what are some of the things you need to know about retiring, especially if you're retiring at the end of the year? What is the magic date for retirement? Is there a magic date for retirement? What kind of tax implications are there retiring end of the year? What about that annual leave that they're going to cut you a big check for? Does that mess with your taxes? Does it not mess with your taxes? What about sick leave? How does that work with retirement? How many days has to accrue for it to count towards my service time? Lots of things like that when it comes to the end of the year retiring. Is it better to wait till January to retire? Lots of questions that you can ask yourself. Put together a plan. Have a strategic plan for retirement. That's what we specialize in for federal retirement. And it all starts with a survival kit. You can get one, real easy to do. Just email me at elizabeth@febcnow.com. We'll get one in the mail to you. So just contact us.